Believe me when I tell you, now is the time to get your hands on these, because prices are at its lowest point and the demand is still crazy. So I only see these going up from there, man. And like I said, y'all, if you don't want to regret it later, you might want to sell a couple shoes, work a couple extra hours, and get your hands on these, because these things right here is fire. YouTube fam, man, what's good, y'all, man? How y'all feeling? Your boy Jay is back for yet another vid, and today, man, I do have a special one. It's Sunday, man, so we kind of just doing some laid back unboxings, chilling. I'm gonna show y'all some things I recently picked up throughout the last couple weeks. You know, I just be having things piling up. I don't really open them all. Like, as soon as I get them, I just be waiting to show them to y'all on the channel. I used to be like real urgent to open my packages. I couldn't wait to get things, but I'm just like, hey, I'm gonna wait till I show them to the fam, you know. And today is that day, man. Sunday. I don't know, I might start doing Sundays for unboxings. But what's good, man? Look, man, make sure y'all started off by hitting the thumbs up for your boy Jay. Early Jay, should I say, man. I've been going crazy all week last week with some earlies. I'm not done yet. I got some more earlies to show y'all, as well as some other things over here on the channel, man. So make sure y'all keep hitting that thumbs up. Appreciate y'all, and shout out to all the new members, y'all. I think we recently just hit a new milestone. I think we're at like 174K or something like that, man. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all. Look, we ain't stopped growing, man. We still growing. All the new members, all the OGs, everybody in between, man. I truly appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for rocking out. Like I said, all I'm asking for y'all to do real quick is hit the thumbs up or thumbs down, however you feeling today, you know. But hopefully you in good spirits, and you know, it's all good vibes over here, man. But yes, outside of that, I do want to start with a couple unboxings. So let's go with, I think we'll start small and then we'll get up to the big dog, y'all. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Woo! Yes, sir. Bang! Y'all, first box of the day, man. Now, this package right here, bro, I've had this for like 2 weeks. I've had this for like 2 weeks, man, and I even forgot I had it, you know. And I was just going through my room just now, and I was like, dang, what is in this box? And I remembered, I was like, dang, I didn't even open these yet. But this right here comes from Capsules, y'all. A lot of y'all ask me, Jay, where you get the cap from? Where you get the hats from? Capsules is a place that I get a lot of my hats from. They sell a lot of dope custom looking hats, you know what I'm saying? This one, I don't even know where this one came from. It might have came from like My Fitters or something like that. But Capsules is a nice place where you can go to and get a lot of like custom dope looking hats. They do always come, you know, packaged with some added accessories. Yeah, so it do come with a couple stickers, as you can see right there. Capsule with the U, bruh. Capsule, that is the website, or you can actually follow them on Instagram. That is kind of where I see like where all their upcoming drops and things are. So definitely tap into them. It's a good source for hats for the third time. But ooh wee, yes sir, man. I copped 2 of the same style hats, just in different colors, and these are nice, bro. These is fire. These is fire, man. So let's go ahead and get right into it, y'all. I don't even know, bro. I don't even know which team, I don't know what these are, y'all, but I seen them and I was like, yeah, let me get them. So take a look. You do got that logo right there on one, then on the other one you got the black and red, y'all. Let me take it out the box. Y'all can't see it there, man, but of course, like I said, y'all, we do have, I don't be keeping these little boxes, so I really could rip them out of here. But yeah, fire, man. So first one, y'all, the pink with the green hits on it, man. Take a look at it. Side patch right there. Can we get some focus? And green underbrim, y'all. This go crazy right here, man. So this is something different. That's why I was like, let me go on and grab that one right there. But you do have, what is it? It just says Bean Supper 6 o'clock p.m. Saturday. Take a look at that right there, man. So like I said, I don't know what team this is supposed to be, or if it's a theme of something. I don't know, but I did get that one, the green, white, black, pink. And then these right here, when I saw them, I was like, oh, that'll go crazy with some playoff 8s, man. The red, black, blue, yellow joint, man. Take a look at that, y'all. Just different, you know what I'm saying? When I saw it, I instantly thought about the playoff 8s, man. Definitely clean, y'all. So this is the other one. It does say the same thing on the side. Definitely a dope, you know what I'm saying, a little fitted hat. You do got the gray underbrim on this black one right here, but definitely dope. I copped those 2 hats right there. That is the first 2 pickups of the day. Let me show y'all something else that I picked up recently from Dillard's. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, bang, man. You see what's going on. The bag, it expresses the cologne that's in here. A lot of y'all just been recently getting put on the Creed and stuff, but I've been on Creed for I don't even know how long, y'all. But this right here is a limited edition Creed cologne, y'all. These came out like last year for the first time. Then recently they did some pre-orders for a limited stock on these at Dillard's. And I put in a pre-order like maybe a month ago or 2 months ago. And I ended up picking it up recently. But this is Creed Absolute, y'all. Creed Absolute Aventus, y'all. So a lot of y'all are familiar with Aventus because that's its most popular cologne. But this is like a spin-off to it, y'all. So this one here comes in a all over black bottle, y'all. So black stealthy Creed bottle right here, man. I ain't playing, y'all. I need to start a fragrance channel, bro, because I got so many fragrances, bro. You gotta look good, feel good, and smell good, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can't do one and not the other, y'all. You know, you gotta have the balance of all of them. But I did pick up some cologne, very expensive, y'all. Like very expensive. I could have bought me some. What could I have bought with these? Like I could have bought some Travis Scott's with these. Like this was $600 off the hip. $600 for this cologne, y'all, and it is 2.5 fluid ounces, 75 milliliters. Sheesh. Gotta smell good though, y'all. Let's keep it moving. Woo! Appreciate you. Bang! Yes, sir. So this right here is a recent pickup that I bought from a store, but I didn't take y'all with me and I didn't show them to y'all, man. But I do have right here a pair of Anthony Edwards, you know what I'm saying? His AE1 Low Life. And this is the color blocking Loose Limb All Rank C Black, y'all. These Adidas color blockings, it get me every time, y'all. But I'll show y'all the shoe. I do have right here the AE1 Low, man. These them Young Thugger joints, man. These them YSL joints, y'all. Bang! The slime greens, y'all. I did pick up a pair of the slime green AE1 Lows because I thought that they were fire when I seen, of course, images and such of them. I was like, I gotta have that pair. I didn't pick up that Georgia Bulldog colorway. I might spin the block for those one day, you know, cause bread colorway, you can't go wrong with bread. But I had to have these slime joints when I seen them. I said, yeah, that's a colorway I want to add to the collection. Very, very dope. Bang, man. Take a look at them right there. Of course, with it being a low top and the tongue being like, you know, sunk off in there, it's kind of looking like a boat. But you know what I'm saying? When I throw these on feet with the right fit and all that good stuff, bro, these are gonna be well appreciated, man. And speaking of well appreciated, man, I would very much so appreciate these with the hat that I just showed y'all. Bang! What we doing, man? Like, look how crazy that works. And I had no correlation, like no thoughts of matching these two together when I bought them, but it just so happens that they flow together. Of course, the bottom green is a little darker, but it does definitely go with that green on the top. You know what I'm saying? Definitely dope, you know? So I could definitely do something with these. I could rock this hat with these shoes for sure. But yeah, man, first two things going together, you know. But the AE1 Low Slime Green joints, these are tough, man. Comment down below, man. What are your thoughts on these? Y'all liking the lows or y'all like the mids better, man? But yes, I had these for like 2 weeks, week and a half, something like that. I had them since they first came out, y'all. So whenever they released, I had them since then. But yeah, man, solid pair of shoes. They just look like boats because they're not on my feet. But let me know, man, do we need to do something with these on feet, AE lows, or we good on AE lows, man? I don't know how y'all feeling about the Adidas, but this is definitely a clean pair. Definitely has Yeezy vibes, but that's another story, y'all. That is another pickup that we have here. Let's keep it moving, y'all. Whew. I told him I wasn't gonna do it, man. I told y'all I wasn't gonna do it. Bang! Y'all, so this box right here is one shoe that I showed y'all that I was like, I don't know, bro. It's retailer bust on these, man. It's retailer bust, and I lied to myself, bro, because I definitely didn't pay retail for these, man. But these are the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS. Color blocking is Blue Gaze Arctic Pink. This is a size mine. It's a personal, and I don't know if I don't even want to say ever. I don't know when is the word. I don't know when I'll be wearing these shoes. It might be a time where I can find something that I can rock out well with it, y'all. But right now, it's just getting put up. But I did pick up a pair. I went back and picked up a personal of the Nike SB Dunk Low Birdies. Bang! Now, this isn't the topic. This isn't the topic shoe of this video. However, it does tie into the topic of the video, y'all, because this is another shoe, y'all. I'm only gonna take out one pair. We can leave the other one in there, because yeah, all we need is one with that big old keychain on it, y'all. But this is one shoe right here, y'all, that I feel like down the line, trust me when I say this, y'all, these are going to spike up in price. It's just one, you can just look at it, y'all. It's giving Grateful Dead Dunk vibes, you know. It just has that special look to it, y'all. And anytime shoes, you know, look like this and they're from, of course, Nike SB, they normally always do good, you know. Like, look back down the list. Like, I brought up the Grateful Deads, man. Grateful Deads are up, y'all. Grateful Deads are expensive right now. But Verdi written right there on the tongue, as you can see in the pink and black, you know. But furry all over shoe. Like I said, I don't know when, don't know where I would ever wear the shoe, but it is definitely a good piece, you know, that I can hold on to for the collection. I can possibly trade it down the line if I want to, and the price that I got it for was a very good price, and I thought that it was worth every penny of it. I was like, look, I can't turn that down because I know it's gonna go up way more than what it is going for right now. And like I said, going with the topic of this video, if you guys got your eyes on the Verdi Dunks, y'all, I think right now might be the best time for you to go ahead and pick up a pair, because I see these going up even as soon as holidays, y'all. Holidays, a month and a half from now, these are going to be creeping up in price, like $20 higher than what you're seeing it at right now, $50 higher than what you're seeing it right now. So this is one of them shoes, y'all, that you don't want to sleep on if you guys have your eyes on them, if you want them, if you think they're dope. I think they're dope, but I don't necessarily know if they're for me, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, y'all, I just got to have something fall into my lap out the blue, like this Bathing 8 t-shirt. Hey man, y'all gotta chill over there, bruh. Bang! Look, y'all, no intentions at all, no way, shape, or form did I buy this t-shirt to match up with these. I just remembered that I had this sitting around. I actually got these for the Jordan 4 Unions, Jordan 4 Unions, the Guava Ice. That's what I got this shirt for, y'all. I think it would be a better look to go with the Guava Ice Union 4s. But on second note, just looking back at it, y'all, like, hey man, will I be able to freak these like this? You know, with some light blue jeans? I don't know, man. I don't know. We might have a look, but like I said, y'all, I don't know when, don't know where that will happen, but I got things in the closet, y'all, and I had that tee for like maybe a year and a half. I just didn't find nothing to wear with it, you know. But hey, let's just talk about this last shoe, man. Woo! Big dub skis, big dub ski alert, bang! So yes, sir, man. One of my biggest ever dubs, man, via the sneakers app, y'all, is in this box right here. And guess what? It made it to me, man. Shout out to everybody who copped, and I pray for the person who copped, but they got sent an empty box. Or should I say, when it got to them, it was an empty box, because, hey, that final boss is a mother, bruh. Hey, I'm telling you. So I'm grateful, I'm thankful, you know, that my shoe made it to me safely, because this is my biggest dub, man. And I've hit on shoes before, but if you guys have been following the channel, I've had hiccups where I didn't have the right card on file. I got a notification from my bank saying that things were declined and all type of stuff, y'all. And it was like on some good shoes, like Travis Scott's and things like that. Got W's, Cactus Plant Flea Market shoes, got W's, but my bank declined it. Crazy, y'all, but we got this one. And it finally came to the crib. I know y'all like, bro, you struggling with that box, ain't you? Yeah, because Nike boxes do not open as easy as they used to anymore. They do not open as easy as they used to anymore. But we do have here the shoe that I feel like if you guys want them, you need to get your hands on them now, because straight up, yes sir, these right here, to the moon, bro. Word to Mike Rich. Bang! There we go, y'all. We do have my sneakers app W, one of my biggest, if not my biggest, man. I've hit on J Balvin Jordan 1s. I think that was like my biggest before this one, but hey, by far my biggest dub. And I do have the Air Jordan 1 Low OGSP medium olive black sail muslin, y'all. And of course, recent release. I've talked about it. I didn't do it on feet. I'm slacking, y'all. I need to do it on feet to these things, man. Cause it's just good shoes to look back at. But I do have the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott's medium olives. Bang! Yes, sir. You see them. So we do have the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott medium olives, man. Crazy, man. Shout out to my wife, y'all, because she was the one who actually hit for me. I didn't hit on my phone. She came back to me and she was just calm as ever. And she was like, did you get them? I was like, nah. She's like, oh, I got them. And I was like, what? What? You got them? What the f? I said, let me see the size. Let me see the size. Because, you know, her phone is set up to a women's size. So I'm thinking that they might do a women's 10 and not a men's, or a women's 9 and not a, you know, a men's 9. But, hey, everything was A1, man. Shout out to the wife for coming through in the clutch, man. So I do have them here. Like I told y'all, Travis Scott's. And this way. Yes, sir. Joints is clean. Bang, man. Here we go, y'all. We got the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott medium olives, y'all. Like I told y'all before I got into the package of the box, y'all, this shoe right here, man, is one of those steadily rising and just one of them sleeper Travis Scotts that I feel like you're gonna look back at them, you know, a couple months or a month or so from now and be like, yo, when did they go up to $800, $900, man? Take a look at the Black Phantoms. And I actually think that these will surpass Black Phantoms 100%. These will surpass the price on Black Phantoms eventually, or maybe, I don't know. It's hard to kind of tell, really, to be honest, because look at Black Cats. You know, Black Cats, I don't know, an all black shoe does something for some reason. But speaking of Travis's too, y'all, if you haven't checked out my review, my early review to the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Velvets, this is my favorite pair, y'all. I'm standing on it. This is my favorite pair of them all, y'all. If you haven't checked out my review to that, man, make sure you guys check it out after you watch this. But yeah, man, medium olives. Take a look at it. Nice toe box right there. Clean pair, man. Very, very clean pair. And yeah, my biggest dub on sneakers out, man. So shout out to Sneakers for that. And last time I told y'all, if you want them, see about who might have them in your area, tap in and try to grab them right now because these prices will go up. But that is it, man, for my unboxings. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of y'all Sunday. I will be back at y'all tomorrow. And yeah, man, your boy Jay is checking out, man. So y'all stay blessed. I'm gone, man. Comment down below, man. Does my pickups, are they valid? You know, they valid for me, you know. So I really don't care, you know, but I want to know if y'all like what I pick up should be the better statement to say. But yeah, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I'm gone. Be blessed.